To a used car prospect, a simply spotless passenger compartment is one that looks clean and new. This is a big factor in selling the car quickly and profitably. But to a reconditioning man, simply spotless means getting spotless results on all types of dirt in the simplest possible way. This requires a cleaning material that gives top-quality jobs with minimum effort. Such a modern, versatile cleaner is Kar-Kleen, a single cleaning material that is better at all the cleaning jobs ordinarily done by many different cleaners. Why is Kar-Kleen better? Kar-Kleen has far greater powers of dirt absorption than ordinary cleaners. It is a chemical that is kind to hands as well as to car interiors, in addition to being effective against ordinary dirt. Kar-Kleen carries many specialized cleaning agents, each of which attacks a specific kind of dirt. Among others, it contains a sugar agent, blood agent, and a grease agent, and together they cover the waterfront. These specialized cleaning agents penetrate the upholstery material and pry loose all the undesirable particles from their hiding places. As Kar-Kleen dries, these dirt particles are lifted to the surface where they are easily removed. Ordinary soaps are hard on fabrics. In drying, they tend to spoil the nap and stiffen the fabric. Detergents, like soaps, dry slowly and unevenly. They also wick easily, leaving unsightly watermarks. In addition, detergents tend to take the oil out of leatherettes, causing them to crack and become brittle. Solvents are specialized cleaners. Each one removes only certain kinds of dirt. They tend to make spots on plastic materials. They wick into the tar paper backing on some interiors and are also expensive. So everything that ordinary cleaners can do, Kar-Kleen can do simpler and better. This has been thoroughly proved by actual tests. Now let's see how to use Kar-Kleen best. We all know the overall sequence of reconditioning jobs: wash and lube, mechanical work, exterior body and paint, under hood and trunk, interior passenger compartment, and exterior polish. Since Kar-Kleen is used primarily in the passenger compartment, we'll talk mostly about its use there. Preparations. Survey the interior before starting to see what work should be done. Any damage should be repaired, or any article replaced before cleaning. Remove the spot-glued label from the can of Kar-Kleen. Save the label for the detailed directions on the back. Put the concentrated Kar-Kleen into the bucket and heat it for a few minutes until it's all liquid. Add 5 quarts of cold water using the Kar-Kleen can as a measure and stir. Now the solution is ready to use. The solution will keep indefinitely in a covered container. After mixing, the solution will sometimes thicken. This makes the solution easier to handle and permits it to cover a greater area. After the solution is mixed, a preliminary cleaning is given to the interior with a wet or dry heavy-duty vacuum cleaner. The proven sequence for cleaning the interior is 1. Headlining, 2. Seats, 3. Floor, 4. and finally doors. In this way, after each area is cleaned, it does not need to be touched again in order to get at the next area. With your preparations completed and your work mapped out, you're ready to use Kar-Kleen. In 3 simple steps: 1. Apply. 2. Dry. 3. Brush. Let's see how this basic procedure works in each interior area. Headlining. If the headlining is a fabric, determine the direction of the nap. Working with the nap results in a much better-looking job. To make sure of the nap direction, scratch the headlining both ways. Scratching with the nap results in a smooth sheen. Scratching against the nap gives a rough, spotty appearance. If in doubt, assume that the nap runs from the right to the left, since this is the nap direction of the headlining on most cars. For the best control of the cleaning operation, work in rows of small sections about 2 feet square, starting over the driver's seat, A, and working towards the passenger seat, C. Using a sponge, apply Kar-Kleen sparingly. This prevents shrinking and tearing of the headlining due to excessive moisture. Agitate each section with a short circular motion until you raise a good foam. Then lay the nap with the last strokes of the sponge before foaming the next section. Let the foam dry on the headlining. When the entire car interior is thoroughly dry, brush or vacuum brush the headlining in long sweeping strokes with the nap. This leaves a clean, smooth, new-looking headlining, which is an important factor in selling the car. Like a young fellow a courting, each OK used car has a date with a customer, and brushing a napped headlining in the right direction can make a lot of difference in the sale. Now let's consider the rest of the interior. After the seats are vacuumed in preparation for cleaning, bad spots are pre-soaked with Kar-Kleen solution. The front seat cushion is cleaned first. If practical, it should be removed. Using a soft bristle brush, apply the cleaner and agitate to a foam in sections. Work from back to front, the usual nap direction. When the foam disappears, vacuum the seat cushion with the nap. This picks up excess dirt and moisture, speeding drying time. A clean, damp bath towel may also be used. Next, the seat back is cleaned in a similar manner, working from the top down. Seat covers can be cleaned right in the car. The Kar-Kleen should be applied sparingly with a sponge. The foam should be wiped up at once to speed drying. If the upholstery underneath is in good condition, seat covers can be removed and reused on a car which needs them more. Floor carpets and mats are then cleaned in the same way. Doors are then cleaned using the same technique. Dry the interior thoroughly. To save time, use 3 to 5 heat lamps. The heat lamps may be fastened to the window moldings or the window glass. Close all the windows as far as possible. When the windows fog, they may be opened further to release the moisture-laden air. Finally, thoroughly brush or vacuum brush the headlining, seats, and sides. This removes the remaining dirt which has risen to the surface. Then vacuum the carpet. In addition to doing a superior job of cleaning the interior, Kar-Kleen makes many exterior cleaning jobs a lot easier, too. Bad scuffs on white sidewall tires come clean with only a little persuasion from the No. 3 steel wool and Kar-Kleen solution. When kick panels have extra bad scuff marks, agitate them with 00 steel wool and Kar-Kleen solution. Here, Kar-Kleen acts as a lubricant that prevents scratching. And all types of convertible tops can be cleaned. On Khotan tops, use a mild kitchen cleaning powder with Kar-Kleen solution. Detailed directions can be found on the back of each Kar-Kleen label. So, using Kar-Kleen is the simplest way to get spotless results in cleaning jobs, both inside and out. But that's not all. When upholstery colors are noticeably faded, Kar-Kleen tint can strengthen the colors at the same time the upholstery is cleaned. 8 colors are available, a wide enough range to intensify all existing interior colors and hues. You have the choice of blue, gray, taupe, turquoise, green, yellow, brown, and red. Each tint package contains 2 envelopes of concentrated tint powder. The name of the color is stamped on each envelope. When preparing the tint, pour the powder from one envelope into a clean, empty Kar-Kleen can, 1 quart. Fill with water, replace the cover, and shake vigorously. Tear the color name from the envelope and tape it to the can for ready identification. This quart of concentrated tint is enough for a normal tint job on 8 car interiors. When combined with Kar-Kleen solution, the concentrated tint can be stored indefinitely for future use. To make a tint solution of average strength for 1 car, add 1/4 pint of tint concentrate to 1/2 gallon of water. Pour the resulting tint solution into the previously prepared Kar-Kleen solution. Stir well. The tint can also add color to canvas convertible tops. For this, pour a full pint of tint concentrate into 1/2 gallon of water, which is then mixed with 1/2 gallon of Kar-Kleen solution. The upholstery is tinted automatically while it is being cleaned. Since Kar-Kleen contains a dye setting agent, no special fixing treatment is necessary for the tinting operation. So, with or without tints, Kar-Kleen can do much to simplify and improve many appearance reconditioning jobs both inside and outside of the OK used car or truck. With Kar-Kleen, you have a single cleaner that easily removes all types of dirt from all types of interiors. And by adding Kar-Kleen tint, you can add color at the same time you clean. What's more, you don't have to be a chemical engineer to become an expert at using these modern reconditioning materials. You can easily produce results that are simply spotless.